So while Mama Papa gets our day bag and other common materials required for today's activity, let's go do our circle time. So it's circle time. Hello, what do you know? Hello, 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 what do you know? Do you know where your shoulders are? Do you know where your head is? Hello, 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 what do you know? Welcome back. Now it's time for us to go on to our discussion. So it's interactive time. The topic for today's discussion is weather. Now, having discussed this topic, let me play the weather song for you. So let's listen to the weather song.
Very good.
Actively take part in the discussion. Yes, did you also enjoy the song that was played after the discussion? Yes? Okay. Now, before we get on to our first activity, let's give our hands and legs some moves and shakes. Yes? So it's time for us to get on to our gross motor time. So it's gross motor time. Get her day bag. Yes, I'm going to get mine. You go get yours. It's time for you to do the energizer. So it's energizer sound time. Enjoy the energizer song. Yes, it's time to get on to our next activity. wash your hands and clean up? Yes? Okay, now before we go on to the next activity, it's time for you to listen to the rhyme. So it's rhyme time. Do you all enjoy the rhyme? Yes? Okay, now let's go on to the last activity of the day. So did you all wash your hands? Yes? Okay, so it's review time. Let's do a quick recap of what we learned since morning. It's time to say bye, right?